Making an electric generator is one of the most important projects students can do as their science project or as an engineering project. All of the electricity coming to our homes and businesses are produced by electrical generators. Of course, we may know them as the hydroelectric power, wind turbine, water turbine, and nuclear power plant. But at the heart of all of them, electric generators produce the electricity, and the only variation is how we spin the shaft in the generator. For example, the electrical energy produced in a water dam is called hydroelectric power. It means that the flow of high pressure water spins a water turbine and that in turn spins the shaft of an electric generator. But before I show you how you can make an electric generator as your school project, let me explain the fundamentals and basics of producing electricity in generators. Electricity is the flow of invisible particles known as electrons in a conductor such as a copper wire. But how do you make the electrons move inside of a wire? Years ago, scientists discovered that electrons are sensitive to magnetic force, so magnets can push or pull the electrons. We make this electric generator so that a magnet can spin inside of a coil wire. A wooden box can hold the coil of the wire, and a wood dowel can hold the magnet. The magnet must spin inside of the box, so it will also be inside of the coil. You can buy the magnet, the wire, the light, and all the wooden parts already cut to size as a kit, known as wooden generator. You may also buy the parts separately and cut your own wood parts. Let's first show you how to make the generator using the materials in a kit, and then show you how you can cut, shape, and make the wooden parts yourself for those of you who are interested in woodworking. The magnet, wire, and LED lights are the items you should certainly buy or pull out of other equipment. You cannot make them at home. Materials in the kit include enameled copper wire, gauge 27, a strong magnet cylindrical bar, half diameter and 1 inch long, super bright red LED light, wood dowel with half center hole for holding and spinning the magnet, thin sheets of basswood cut to size for making a small box, sandpaper for sanding the hole or removing insulation from the ends of wires. Here is how you make the wooden electrical generator. Insert the magnet in the wooden dowel and make sure it is secure and balanced. Use sandpaper to enlarge the hole if necessary. Forcing the magnet may break the wooden dowel. Use wood glue to make the box, but leave one side open. Insert the wood dowel in the box and close the box by attaching the final side. Wrap all the wires around the box in both sides of the wooden dowel. Keep the wire close to the center. Secure the wire and use the sandpaper to remove insulation from the ends of wires. Attach your light. Spin the dowel by hand and you should get light. Written instructions and step-by-step pictures for this project are available at miniscience.com.